Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can move images, photos and pictures freely around in your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So if you're curious and would like to learn more, make sure to drop a like and I will let us get started. So as you can see, I'm on Microsoft Word and I created that document for demonstration purposes. And I added also this photo here for the sake of this tutorial. You may add images and photos to your documents as well by selecting Insert here from that tab menu at the top, and by selecting Pictures from that menu here below, and by selecting your source device like your computer, laptop, or stock image site, and so on and so forth. So once you have added your image, guys, what you want to do to move it freely around here on your document is simply left click on it, and here in the top right corner or next to your image you will see that icon here. So click on it to access the images layout option. And what you want to do, guys, is select the text wrapping below, like for example the square text wrapping, tight, in front, through, and so on and so forth. So the easiest approach would be to simply go with the first one, square, select it with your left mouse, and you can after that close the window, and this will allow you to move your image freely around wherever you like here on your document, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically it. It will automatically wrap the text around you, or Microsoft Word will wrap the text around your image so that it fits perfectly, guys. So as you can see, that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.